peppermint.
Oh wait, actually, do you have peppermint? Happy
Vlogmas!
It is day 1. We are currently going to be vlogging every single day until literally the 25th of Christmas. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button to literally join the Angel family. We're gonna do some Christmas shopping runs. We're gonna do some Starbucks runs, like baking, all that stuff.
And gingerbread house.
With this, yeah, a whole month, okay? So please, you don't wanna miss out on this stuff because this is my first ever Vlogmas. Like, ever. I don't know how I'm gonna survive, guys, but you know what? I gotta survive somehow, and I gotta do it. So, don't worry, I'm not gonna literally bring this. My mom thought I was gonna wear this headband out, like, just like this. This doesn't even match my outfit. This is a makeup hairband, so I'm trying to do my makeup right now, so that way I can look presentable. So let me do my makeup, and we will get back to you once we are on the run in the car.
Can I have a strawberry acai drink with lemonade?
A tall?
Yeah.
Strawberry acai lemonade?
Yeah.
Can I get a tall acai strawberry tea lemonade?
Not tea.
Okay, whatever.
Tall strawberry acai lemonade.
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
That's what you want, right?
Yeah.
That's it? For whatever, right?
Wait, can I get a cake pop?
Can I get one birthday cake pop?
No,
Okay.
there's a peppermint.
Oh wait, actually, do you have peppermint?
Yeah.
Can I get that instead?
Yeah.
And then can I try the pumpkin cream chai tea latte?
Unfortunately, we're done with pumpkin for this season.
Oh, okay. I'll just have a tall peppermint hot chocolate with whipped cream.
Yeah, tall peppermint hot cocoa with whip.
They've ran out of the pumpkin. Oh wait, they're end of the pumpkin, sorry. Try next year.
Next year, and I gotta wait next year. The one time I was gonna try something new for the holidays, and they're like, "Oh, we don't carry it anymore. We stopped carrying it for like before the holidays, for Christmas." So I was like, "No!"
But it's November still.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, at least like wait until December 1st. Like, it's weird to me. I look like a boy right now, but
I got my strawberry acai.
yeah, we had to get our holiday drinks at
So we're
Starbucks.
pajamas.
We're gonna drive about 20 minutes to go film at
22.
Miniso. 22 minutes to go film at Miniso because we do have a sponsorship that we have to do
For the ad.
for an ad. Yeah. Oh, homegirl.
I got a package.
So basically, we just got done filming in Miniso, 20 minutes like up north somewhere. So
Urban.
excited. We're gonna give you guys a haul later because once we go home, we have to film the rest of the unboxing for the part of the, the ad. And then homegirl has to go play golf. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait until she comes back. Then we're gonna finish everything. We're gonna decorate the house a little bit and start
While
off
she
with.
goes, while I go golf.
Oh, I forgot. This is cold. Oh, she's not bad. Can I have some of yours? I should have gotten an ice drink. I just wanted to feel festive. We're back from Miniso, and we're gonna do a whole unboxing vlog because, yeah, why not? A holiday unboxing vlog. The whole concept was to find
Cinema roll.
Cinnamoroll, the character in the blind boxes, which is kind of insane because these were the types of boxes. Can you show them the boxes, what they look like?
Next box.
Okay.
That's cinema roll.
So we did not get Cinnamoroll. We did not get Cinnamoroll the first 2 rounds so far.
We literally the same.
Same character, but this is honestly really, really cute though, not gonna lie.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know what this is. Is it a cat or a dog? It's a cat.
Wait, I thought it's supposed to be something right here.
No, there isn't.
I swear.
No. I don't remember what the character's name is for this one, but...
Pom pom.
Pom pom?
Pom pom purin.
Pom... Pom-pomperin? Comment down below if you can actually say or if you knew that character, because we didn't.
Yeah. We got this. I was crossing my fingers.
Cinnamoroll.
And then I unboxed it, so we got cinema roll.
And this is like a lamp thing.
Yeah.
A mini lamp thing.
Yeah. Then we got cinema roll again by crossing my fingers and unboxing it.
Yeah, it's on a little tiny...
Seesaw.
It's not a seesaw. It's like a horse carriage toy thing.
I call it seesaws.
Okay, well,
Okay.
we got her. And then,
And then last
very
but not least,
I was so shocked about this, like, not gonna lie. This is actually the cutest.
again,
And this thing actually moves. So we had to do that, right, for the promo. But then, for extra stuff, we ended up getting... Ava, show.
A corgi / toast.
It's literally so fluffy. It has feet. It's a toast.
It's fat.
It's fat, basically. And then we got 2 of these. So it has like the stars.
I don't think
you can't even see it. It's so faded. But they're fluffy socks because winter's coming. And
we got
we're gonna need some.
matching.
We got matching ones. I kind of like 3D. I really like those ones.
Yeah.
And so she gave me 2 strawberries. One was on my phone, but it honestly fell off within the first 5 minutes. And so she put like a new strawberry, very similar to this one right here, on my iMac, which is really cute.
And then I got my journal there. It's Bobo Rabbit Factory. I'm gonna show you these stuff. Oh, sorry, it's the same thing.
Yeah, why do we keep doing this? Oh, sorry, it's the same thing. Why is it
this and stuff? This.
And then this is funny. They gave us a free gift because we spent over $100. And this was a Miracle Night scented diffuser
Guys, smell it.
for the room because my room smells like dog because of Arlo.
I want to unbox it.
She has to go to golf right now, which is insane
I'm
because
mad.
it's a Saturday and that's.
It's so boring.
I'm gonna edit on my phone in the meantime. We're gonna circle back when she gets back. I do want to change the sweats though. I'm just gonna take this jacket off because it's so like thick.
I was going dumpster diving.
Oh yeah, hold on.
See? Look at it. Okay, so I was trying to, let's say this is in here. I was trying to open until it came off into pieces.
But it's because you don't have the glue on like me,
Oh,
the
yeah.
press on.
Yeah.
These are Glamnatic nails, and we actually did it for the Thanksgiving week. And yeah, homegirl, she had the sticky like stickers that only last up to 2-3 days or something like that. So that's probably why.
Still put them on.
Are you massaging my dog with your fake nails on his head? What is that? He likes it. See you in the next couple hours, basically.
Outfit check.
Fit check with the...
Sisters.
This supposed to be fit check with the sis check. These are my pajamas. I swear, don't you have these? Because we had this one year though.
We had this one last year.
I don't know where that one is or mine. I'm saying you used to have this too.
Yeah, but
What happened?
that was too short.
You grew out of it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then never mind.
I was like 4'3".
We have matching pajamas. We were gonna decorate the house. My mom said no because the house is like a mess, okay? And she has a particular style, so she kind of wants to start everything and then we get out and afterwards, if that makes sense. She's currently,
style.
She's currently watching Black Cake on Hulu right now, so she's kind of distracted. It's day 1, like come on, you know, we're supposed to decorate the tree. But anyways, we're gonna light a candle, say our farewells. Don't miss us too much because we're gonna see you again for Vlogmas day number 2. Okay, we're currently using my phone flash. It's actually blinding me in my eye right now.
Why now?
So we wanted you guys to see us better. I should have used that selfie light or whatever.
Yeah.
Alex Earl selfie light. What's your favorite Vlogmas activity that you're most excited for?
Like make cookies.
Gingerbread men, like.
Oh wait, that's my first. I didn't think
Gingerbread
about that.
men
I didn't
or
think of that.
houses
I didn't-
that we're supposed to be decorating.
I didn't think about that.
Think about that?
No, I think about that.
Okay. Anyways, we're gonna see you guys tomorrow. We do want to thank you guys so much for watching. So please don't forget to like,
And subscribe.
comment down below, and don't forget to turn on that post notification. That way you know always post in throughout the entire week, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube
Vlogmas.
Woo! Bye.
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.